Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to download the Gmail app on your Android device. Whether you're new to Gmail or just need to reinstall the app, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, locate the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. The Play Store is where you'll find a vast array of apps, including Gmail. Once you have the Play Store open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it and type in Gmail. As you type, you'll see suggestions pop up below. Don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just make sure you spell it correctly. After you hit enter, a list of search results will appear. Scroll through the results until you find the official Gmail app. It's usually the first option and features the iconic red and white envelope logo. Go ahead and tap on it to get more details. Now that you're on the Gmail app page, you'll see a button that says Install. Tap on this button to start the download and installation process. Depending on your internet connection, this may take just a few moments. Just be patient as the app is downloaded to your device. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the option to open the app. Go ahead and tap on Open. If this is your first time using Gmail, you'll be guided through the setup process. If you already have a Gmail account, simply enter your login details to access your inbox. If you don't have a Gmail account yet, don't worry. The app will also give you the option to create a new account. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be set up in no time. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded the Gmail app on your Android device. Now you can easily check your emails, manage your inbox, and stay connected on the go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.